In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all of you watching this video series, I hope you are fine. This is Abdullah Sheikh Sirat. I want to work a CRUD application with PHP MySQL and Bootstrap. Before going to the actual work and practical code, I prepare a short presentation and a short checklist that we will see what we will cover in this application, and step by step we will keep on in the process. Let's open up the presentation. This is our presentation. Let's start it. This is the first slide, and these are the steps that we will cover in this video series. Firstly, what is CRUD? CRUD is the contraction form of create, read, update, and delete. Create means adding data to the database. Read means selecting data from the database, and update means changing data in the database, and delete means removing and omitting data from the database. Firstly, we need to download and install these software and files. The first one is One Server. One Server is a virtual web server. We need to install this. Second software we need to have text editor for writing our code. The famous and popular ones are Sublime, Visual Studio Code, or Notepad++. We will use one of them. And after that, for better design and for better interface, we use Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a front-end framework of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We will use for the interface. After that, we will download jQuery. We need jQuery. jQuery is a library of JavaScript language, and for work in Bootstrap files we need jQuery. And in this application we will use font awesome icons. It's optional if we will use in this application, and if you don't want it, it's not necessary to use. It's optional. And data tables for search. If you want search in this application, we will perform the searching in this application with data tables. If you don't want this part, it's optional as well, and you can ignore this part. And after downloading and setting up these files, we will after downloading we will set up and install these needed software and files. After that, we will create a database and table in MySQL DBMS, which is included in One Server. And after that, we will create a file and establish database connection. And the first part include these steps. Let's see what we will do after. After that, we will create and design a page by the name of add page, and we will add data to the database, which is the first part of CRUD, create. And after, we will create and design a view or index page and display data from database. This is the second part of CRUD, read. And after, we will create and design a edit page and update data in the database, the third part of CRUD, update. And after, we will create a page by the name of delete page or delete. We will remove data from the table and database. After, if you want searching, you can in the application we will work, and we will add data table files. These are two CSS files and two JS files. we will include in the project, and we will do searching with jQuery data tables. Let's get started the actual work on installing and setting up our project. In the time of recording this video, unfortunately I don't have internet connection, and the needed software and files I already downloaded. I will install and set up the project for you. If you have internet connection, just open up a browser in your PC, and just in the address bar of your browser, just write down google.com and enter it, and after that the search box of google.com will be open for you, and from there you can just write Bootstrap files download, or Bootstrap download, jQuery download, or Font Awesome downloads, and data tables download. And in the search box of google.com, when you write, for example, if you want to download a data table, just write down in the search box of google.com or Google search engine, data tables download, and when you have internet connection, a list of links will be open for you. From there you can download. Let's get started to the practical work. In this project I will use Sublime editor. This is the better one, and anyone you like you can use, but in this project I will use this text editor for writing our code. I suppose that you downloaded and installed needed software, and you have needed files. Let's get started and set up our project. Firstly, we need to create a folder. Let's name it CRUD app, and we will need these files. I hope you have them all: Bootstrap, Font Awesome, and jQuery. Let's copy and paste it in the project folder, and let's move the project folder to the necessary part in web server. Install the web server in CRUD, and let's copy it and open up web server and open www folder and paste the project in here. After we need to open Sublime text editor and open our project in here. Open CRUD web server www, and our project name is CRUD. Open this folder, and let's create firstly an index page. Let's link our necessary files and libraries. Let's write HTML code, and the title of our project will be CRUD application PHP MySQL Bootstrap. And let's in the head section we will link necessary files. Let's link them in Bootstrap folder. Open Bootstrap folder, CSS folder, and here we need two files. One is bootstrap.main.css, bootstrap, and let's select it. We use linking files this type: links, relations, type sheet, type CSS, href. Our file is bootstrap. Our file is bootstrap CSS / we need this file bootstrap dot two files. We need bootstrap.css and bootstrap.main.css. Bootstrap.css, and copy this file. Yes, for other file the same file is necessary. We will link this file. Bootstrap.css. Let's close this folder, and in JS folder we need bootstrap.main.js and bootstrap.js. Let's enter and come below for linking JavaScript files or JS files. We will use script tag, and for file we will use src. We need we'll link this file bootstrap / this folder is the parent folder bootstrap /js bootstrap.js, and after this we will copy and paste both. Now we need this file bootstrap.main.js. We linked the necessary CSS and JS files for Bootstrap, and now we need to link jQuery. In order to work jQuery fine, we need to link jQuery before bootstrap.main.js file. Let's create jQuery is available in our project folder. Let's link it like this: jQuery.js. It's not in any other folder, and we link it directly. Let's see that our project is working or not. Open a browser, localhost, our project name is CRUD app. For now we don't have. Before running the project we need to run WAMP server. We must start WAMP server. WAMP server is now on, and let's see our project. Now we don't have anything in our index page. Let's see if Bootstrap and our project is working or not. Bootstrap has script again. So Bootstrap we need to check. Bootstrap is working or not. For this purpose, we check it with the class of Jumbotron. Is it working or not? Save it. Fine, Bootstrap is working fine. This gray background, and this is a class of Bootstrap by the name of Jumbotron, and create this kind of background for HTML tags, and for when you need this kind of background, you can use the Jumbotron class of Bootstrap. We linked the needed files, and we linked the Bootstrap needed files and the project. Let's create our